You eating a carrot? Yeah, baby. Chew it up. Yummy. Oh, you want your milk? Boo. Careful. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened? Where's your other piggy tail? Is it over there? Don't you spit that out. Hayden, what are you doing? Are you gonna eat your carrot? Like mommy? Are you all done with it? Yeah, it's a carrot. You want two? No? Ah! Here's a carrot. Well, that's a tough one. What do you think? Oh, there's that piggy tail. Kind of looks rough after your nap. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Who's out there? Who's out there? You see Daddy? Chew it up. Chew it up. You funny. I love you.